Hey kids, we're gonna see if we can get this started. Yeah, it's warm enough to work outside, so let's do it. We're just gonna jam a battery in there, and we'll see what happens. First, I gotta find some gloves. Let's do it. It's bright. If you hear random talking, it's that guy. He brought me something. We'll talk about it later. Okay. It's right here. Yeah. Hey, come check this out. It's gonna be terrible. Down. Okay. Why are you down there? Did you fall down? Too cold? Well, stop whining about it. Okay, you good? Look, I don't care. Okay, let's watch right here. We're gonna try to start it. Okay, I guess it works. Why didn't the starter work before? I'm guessing it's because it got cold and it iced up. Definitely cold. Can you believe Rusty leaves us stranded and then put key in it, put battery in it, starts right up. Irritation level 42 out of 10. So, what we're gonna do is a little housekeeping, but it's shopkeeping. I know that sounds like I have a store. I don't have a store. Unless you count the parts depot, because I sell all the parts. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go right over there. Come on. I'm not even pausing that thing. Yeah, now. All right, I've been meaning to do this for a while. Our friend over at Mill Creek Fab Shop, he sent us a sticker a while ago, but it's been 18,000 below outside. I know that's excessive, probably 30. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them on the cabinet of fame. Now, I'm gonna spend 35 minutes struggling to get the back off of this, and then we're gonna put it up there. So stick around for a second. It wasn't 35 minutes, but it was not far off. Right here, Mill Creek Fab Shop. Boom! Right there. Cabinet of fame, along with Country Boy Gas Garage. Hey, did you guys see that he gave us a little shout out on the channel? Did ya? Well, if you're not watching his stuff, sorry, got loud. I'm a little irritated with Rusty. Can't tell. That's fine. Also, since it's been so cold, yep. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn this around and I'm gonna show you a few things we got. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm not gonna turn around. I'm just gonna go right there. All right, right there. That big box, right there. Can you see what it says? It says exhaust. I ordered an exhaust system for Clyde. That's something that has to happen. Carbon monoxide is just not a thing anymore. Right in the teeth. All right, so we got that for Clyde. Have I done anything else with Clyde? No. We've got, you know what? I ordered this stuff so long ago, I don't even know. Stuff. What's this? Oh, I got some new welding gloves. Because, now, these are supposed to be 2X. Let's see. Hey, these are for TIGGing. Yes, welder, TIGGing. Oh, that's nice. I'll tell you what, I can't wait to use these. Yeah, but what's in here? Something else. Something else in here. Yeah. I'm supposed to clean this shop around here. It's in here. What's this? Oh yeah. Valve stem tool, valve stems, Schrader valve remover, extra Schrader valves. We're gonna be using those. We got a tire changer, we just haven't used it, you know? It's in here. Oh yeah, oh, here we go. All right, now, you all know that we're not gonna be running too many, let's just throw stuff on the floor. We're not gonna be running too many gauges in the old hoop there. So I got myself some gauges. Just a 3-pack, little 3-pod guy. Yeah, well, let's go down there. Hey, sorry. Wires, I just throw them on the floor. You ever have a day where you just irritated? Well, it's today, man, I can tell you. What's in here? Oh, yeah. Metal shaping tools, kids. All right, that's enough. We got a set of 3. Maybe this is more of a duck. All right. Really? You know, this is a professional thing here, man. I'll tell you what. What's in here? This sounds heavy. It is. I don't even know what it is. Made in China, though. That's got to be good. All right, we're going to look at that later. I'm not sure what's in here. Okay. Well, let me get these boxes open. All right, yep. I know exactly what this is. This is me not falling down. Got a welding cart. I know. I made this. Okay, so look, the reason why I got the cart, the bottom. That's it. That's the only reason. That it was on sale on the interwebs. Nothing. This sounds like it's got metal in it. Oh yeah. This is for the cherry picker. So we can level up that 6-cylinder when we slap it into the whatever coupe. Yeah, we're still going with 6-cylinder. Yeah, and then we got a pizza resistance right over there. All right. Yes, I know it's not pizza resistance. What's this? I don't even remember. Oh, yeah. Transmission cooler. That's also for the build. This is a battery tray. This is the black triangle one battery tray. Yeah. We got all that stuff. Now, we're going to show you the pizza resistance. You ready? Crazy camera angles, I know. Yes, that right there is a turbo 350 transmission. With that. Oh, check those out. That's exactly where those are going to go. Pow, pow! Yeah, look at that. Oh, isn't that going to be great? I almost fell down. It even came with a torque converter. There's some other stuff over there and over there. You know what? We'll go over those another day. Hey, heck. Yeah. Not sure what's in there. No clue. What's in here? Oh, mufflers for Clyde. Mufflers. A couple of hats and yeah. So that's what's been going on in the shop. You can see it's clean in here. Let's see. I know, I spent months painting this thing. Did it work? No. Why not? Because of those, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little update. Oh, I got some more of those guys too. Yeah. Anyway, I want to thank Mill Creek Fab Shop. I would like to thank Mill Creek Fab Shop, Joey over there. Make sure you check out his channel. I'll have a down in the anyway. And then Country Boy Gas Garage, check him out. He's got 1.5 billion subscribers, more than I do. But I'll tell you what, he's a super great dude. And spoiler alert, he's talking about maybe selling that El Camino. Is yeah, the 59. Yeah. You all want one. Well, maybe it's just me. I don't know. Stick around. We've got a couple of product testings coming up. Actually, I think we got 4 or 5. 5. We're going to be doing those for some great companies. And one, super awesome. We've been working with them for a while. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this irritating little video about Rusty and a messy shop. And it snowed, so I get to do that. That's fun. I already did it. I did it already. Sorry, I got now. Just an all-around not fantastic day. No, I don't want to talk about it. No, we're not talking about it. Just know that today was bad. Bad day. Bad. Anyway, hit the button, subscribe, do the thing, share with your friends. Tell your friends about Honest Paint Speed Shop, because I mean, look, it doesn't cost anything. And we do stuff sometimes, right? Stuff's falling over there. I don't know. So, we're going to end this right now on an irritating note. Keep on wrenching, kids.